day 3. I just got caught a fox trying to run off with our cook set. So this fox seems to be a resident of this campsite. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Go. Go. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Go. Out. Go. Go. Get. Go. Get out. Go. 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 Get out. Go. Go. Get. Go. Goodbye. Go. Go. Get out. Go. Go. Goodbye. Get out. Go. Get. No. No. Go. Go. Get out. Get out. Go. Goodbye.
Is it still there?
It thinks it's hiding in the woods looking at me. Go! Okay, it's running away now, I think. Can't see it anymore. It's day 3 of our camping trip to the Boundary Waters. We're on Lac La Croix. My daughter and I are out exploring down some of the side trails around near camp. We went to the top of a bluff and watched the sunset last night, so now we're exploring in the other direction. There's our campsite. There's the bluff where we watched the sunset last night. So far it's been a good trip. I just, there's a pesky fox in camp here on this campsite.
He's just standing there.
He's just trying to be stealthy and still.
Oh, grab the black.
Now he's leaving. I think you're a good helper. Now we wait 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
How is it?
Good. Very good. Very good.
there's Ams on the point across from me. I'm up on the bluff. She's looking at me, I'm looking at her, and we're both having a nice 0 day in camp on Lac La Croix, watching all the boats float by. We're camped across from a portage, so we don't have a lot of privacy, but it's so pretty here. And we have a lot of area to explore. There's a big bluff and a point we can walk out on outside of camp. There she goes. What would you most like to eat when we get out of here?
Pizza.
Pizza. I'd like a steak and a baked potato and a salad and some soup. That would be really good.
Yeah. I still want pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Cheese.
Oh, I'd like one with sausage and pepperoni and bacon and some veggies on it.
Or bacon and pineapple.
Or bacon and pineapple. I'd eat that with you. This is dehydrated chicken. We're going to make chicken fried rice. Put some dried peas in there. Put in enough water to cover the chicken, and that'll be enough water for this part. And then I've got a half a cup of rice. So I need to add a full cup of water. So this should be just the right amount of water for this.
Can I light it? Can I light it?
Yes, you may. Go ahead. This Nalgene bottle has oil and soy sauce, and we'll use that to finish off the fried rice. Here. I'm going to put some of the soy sauce and oil in there. Together. It's going to give it flavor. Now we wait. Now it's in the cozy. Now we wait. Alright, that's fried rice with chicken and rice and dried peas, dehydrated chicken, rice, soy sauce, and oil. That's what that is. Where do you think it lives? dehydrated chili soaking. And I'm going to go help look for some firewood so we can build a fire and make some cornbread in the reflector oven. And I've also got some Fritos. I vacuum sealed them, they're crushed, but I've got Fritos also to serve with the chili. Cornbread looks good. Does it look good, Ames? Thumbs up. Should we take a picture of it? You know what I'm having? Chili with Fritos and cornbread. Looks delicious. Is it any good? Glad you like cornbread.